Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Naturalhub, where we explore the power of nutrition and natural remedies to boost your health. Today, we're diving into an incredibly important topic, heart health. Specifically, we're talking about the number one vitamin that can help remove plaque and bad cholesterol from your arteries. Get ready for some heart-healthy tips. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on how to keep your heart running smoothly. Let's jump right in. Understanding artery health. Let's start by understanding what plaque in our arteries really means. Plaque is a mix of fat, cholesterol, calcium, and other substances that can build up in the inner walls of the arteries. This buildup can lead to heart attacks, strokes, and other serious health issues. Bad cholesterol, or LDL, plays a big role in this buildup. Fun fact, arteries are the highways of the human body, carrying oxygen-rich blood throughout your system. The number one vitamin you need to know about is vitamin B3, also known as niacin. Niacin has been studied extensively for its effects on cholesterol levels and cardiovascular health. Niacin helps lower LDL cholesterol levels and triglycerides, which are fats in your blood. At the same time, it helps increase HDL, which is the good cholesterol that helps remove bad cholesterol from your arteries. You can find niacin in many foods such as turkey, chicken breast, peanuts, mushrooms, and avocados. Integrating these into your diet can boost your niacin intake naturally. For some, dietary sources might not be enough, and that's where supplements come in. It's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any supplement regimen, especially because niacin can cause flushing and other side effects. Alongside adding niacin to your diet, maintaining a heart-healthy lifestyle is crucial. Here are quick tips to keep your arteries clear. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can help improve your overall cholesterol levels and boost heart health. Eat a balanced diet. Focus on whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins to help manage cholesterol levels. Manage stress. Stress can negatively impact your heart. Try techniques like yoga, meditation, or even simple breathing exercises to keep stress at bay. That's a wrap on today's heart health journey. Remember, niacin could be a game changer for your artery health, but it's just one part of a broader heart health strategy. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with someone who might find it helpful. Until next time, stay healthy and keep smiling. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more health tips and check out our other videos for more ways to live your healthiest life.